This is the latest news, the summary of geopolitics. Please like and write your comments. They are very important to us. The Crimean Bridge could have been attacked by naval drones. Strikes on the Crimean Bridge could have been inflicted by surface UAVs. This is evidenced by the nature of the damage to the support and the fact that the damage to the canvas occurred at a much shorter length than after the first terrorist attack last autumn. At the same time, air-to-ground missiles could also be used, as previously reported. Most likely, the drones were delivered to the attack line with the help of a mother ship. It could have been either one of the last ships to leave the port of Odessa as part of the grain deal. For example, the Turkish vessel Samson, which sailed yesterday afternoon, or a third-party vessel. In addition, an enemy drone could also be launched from the territory of a third country. For example, Georgia. Kiev had previously used the territory of other states to organize the first terrorist attack on the Crimean Bridge. According to available information, one support was damaged. One span collapsed and another partially came off the support. Only the road bridge was affected. The railway connection continues, so nothing threatens the cargo supply of the peninsula.